Hello folks, and welcome to another product review video. Today it's going to be for this Parkside Rotary 2 accessory set. As you can see, it contains 276 pieces. It comes with this lovely storage box with handle and rotating base. So when you place it like this on the ground, it's easier to select the appropriate accessory. It's easy to open, just unclip those two clips like this. There is a menu inside and a list of all accessories that are inside the box. Let's remove this plastic cover. As you can see, we should not dispose of it, as it's intended to keep in place all these little attachments. Now let's take a closer look what we have inside. We have one brass wire brush, we have this polypropylene brush, another wire brush, different type of polypropylene brush, different type of wire brush, third type of polypropylene brush, and third type of wire brush. We have variety of diamond grinding bits. As you can see, lots of shapes. We have this spanner with a screwdriver on the other side, two smaller diameter sanding flap wheels, two larger diameter sanding flap wheels. We have three different sizes of sanding drums, and of course a lot of sanding bands for them. We have one arbor for the felt discs. We have two arbors for the cutting discs and the grinding stones. 9 drill bits. We have this rubberized support for sandpaper. 10 grinding stones. These 4 are made from silicon carbide and the remaining 6 are made from aluminum oxide. We have 6 rubberized polishing bits. They are made from some sort of hardened rubber. We have 3 collets with different sizes of the openings. Now let's open the second level of the storage box. Here we have again lots of grinding stones. These are made from silicon carbide. The pink one are made from aluminum oxide. The white, I'm not sure their composition. We have cutting discs, 1 grinding stone, 6 small diameter felt discs, 2 larger diameter felt discs. This again is a felt. We have just a second, these diamond cutting discs, and 4 storage boxes. The first one contains polishing compound, the second cutting discs. Let me show you. Yes, cutting discs. And the third and the fourth are with sandpaper. Sandpaper that you should attach to this rubberized stand. Basically, those are all of the accessories inside. Let me just show you the sand bands. Again, lots of them, different sizes. I got this accessory set from Lidl and the price again was pretty cheap, only 15 euros. Lots of tools inside, nice storage box, and my opinion is that you won't make a mistake if you buy one of these. So that's from me for now, guys. Bye, thumbs up and subscribe.